G'day troopers and hola amigos. In this video what I'm doing is replacing the stock Yamaha exhaust pipes with a smaller diameter pipes. Now, the reason why I want to do it is because, it's a little bit quiet with these stock pipes. I want it louder. It's only a 750, but I want it louder. In case it gets too loud, I've got a baffle, so I've got a V-bay. I'm not going to mention those. So, yep, another story. But the idea is, like, the front cylinder, which is cylinder number 2, the pipe should just pretty much slip onto the exhaust pipe there. The issue's going to be with the rear cylinder, cylinder number 1, because it's got a very convoluted and bendy exhaust pipe. So my idea is like this. I've got another bike. Let me show you how I think it's going to work. This is what the exhaust system looks like. It's more or less in place. The front cylinder is going to be easy. The rear cylinder, as you can see, goes underneath the frame between the centre stand and joins onto this pipe here, onto this airbox, which will get deleted. I've got flexi hoses, exhaust flexi hose. I've been hassling the local exhaust shop to modify these things for me. They're actually quite good. They don't tell me to go away or anything like that. They're quite handy with their work. So I know this part will work. The only issue I'm going to have here is connecting this flexi hose onto that pipe there. And I'm thinking, let me just take it out. I'm thinking, cut it, join that 90 degree somewhere here, so this thing will basically join onto this exhaust pipe at a 90 degree angle, through here, basically like that, and that should, theoretically, it should work. So I marked it there. It's got to come out 90 degrees at about this point. So this is what I started off with. After cutting and welding, the welding is, I'm hopeless welding, so spot weld, grind, spot weld, grind, spot weld, grind, round. Took me ages to do, but it's done. And it fits. It comes out just under the frame, which means my flexi hose will slide onto that, then onto the pipe. Okay, so that's assembled. Obviously this pipe will slip onto that. This will have to get cut shorter so the pipe moves up, but this will work. What I have to do is just weld these two pipes together and then weld another piece so I can screw it onto the foot peg and somehow align them so they're parallel to the ground when the bike is loaded or semi-loaded. Otherwise it might look a little bit odd. At this stage I've decided to go top down. So what I'll do first is cut this plate out, which is the same material as the pipe itself. Cut it out, and then I'll be able to actually measure out where it's welded onto this pipe, and then I'll join the bottom pipe to it. The other thing I've realised is the foot peg has got this little knobby thing here which I have to grind down, otherwise my plate will not be secured properly. Now, this pipe's got to go like that. I've already got the bike on the side stand. I've got to bend it. Oh dear. This way. For the welding. Right, so that's sitting. It's too close to the swing arm. It's actually touching it, so I've got to bend this plate out a little bit. And I think what I'll do is it only has to come out 2 or 3 mil. So I think I'll just bend it along this line here. Something like that. At this stage I feel like I've sort of cornered myself. I need to
weld these two together. So what I'm thinking is I've got a spare piece of tubing. I'll secure it like that, spot weld it, take it off, touch up the weld. I'll try these pipes without the baffles, so let's see how we go. Okay, with the baffles. Okay, so that's the welding. The footback will come here. You'll be able to see that, but once it's painted, it should be okay. I can't get in here. I can't smooth those blobs out, so they stay on the inside. Well, no one will see. That's okay. So painting we go. As for the cost, these pipes were $20 a metre. I bought 2 metres. That's why I had the spares to to do the plates and so have you. Flexi hose 20 bucks, so that's $60 altogether. Clamps, 2 clamps, let's say 10 bucks. That's 70 bucks. Paint, another 10 bucks. That's 80 bucks. And the baffles, they were about $15 Oz. So it brings it up to 95 bucks for new pipes with baffles. Overall, I'm quite happy with that. It's loud, but it's not deafening loud. It's only, you can still hear yourself think, and it doesn't draw that much attention. So I quite like it. Thanks for watching, troopers. Until next time, bye.